Namaste dosto, welcome to yet another lesson of spoken Hindi by BSN Academy of Learning. Today's video is going to be very important because we are going to learn what are the basics of forming a Hindi sentence. That is, how to identify a masculine noun and a feminine noun in its plural and singular forms. We will also see and discuss where to place if the noun is an animal, a thing, or a place. So, ready? Let's start. Before we start, let us first know what is a noun. Noun, which is also known as Sangya in Hindi, is the name of a place, person, thing, or animal. Examples: teacher, dog, village, friends. I have said this in many other videos before, yet it is very important to repeat here that we have only masculine and feminine categories of nouns in a Hindi sentence. That is, even if it is an animal, a place, or a thing, we have to mandatorily divide them into a feminine noun or a masculine noun, which is not there in English. English has a neutral gender for a place, thing, or an animal. Now let us see how to identify a masculine noun. Any noun which ends with the sound a is a masculine noun. Examples: ladka, raja, beta. Now let's see some sentences made out of these. These are singular masculine nouns. Let us see some sentences made out of these singular masculine nouns. The boy is playing. Ladka खेल रहा है. That means ladka खेल रहा है. Raja आ रहा है means the king is coming. Raja आ रहा है. बेटा पढ़ रहा है. That means the son is studying. बेटा पढ़ रहा है. Now, there are masculine nouns which do not with the sound a. For example, घर, जल, फूल, मकान, समय, बालक. Let's see some examples made out of it. समय जा रहा है. The time is running or time is going. समय जा रहा है. बालक खेल रहा है. बालक खेल रहा है. The child is playing. जल ठंडा है. जल ठंडा है. That means the water is cold. मकान बड़ा है. मकान बड़ा है. That means the house is big. All the nouns which are feminine in nature will end with the sound e. Let's see some examples. Ladki, Rani, Beti, Billi, Kursi, Gaadi. Let's see some examples made out of singular feminine nouns which I just mentioned. Ladki नाच रही है. That means the girl is dancing. लड़की नाच रही है. रानी मुस्कुरा रही है. That means the queen is smiling. रानी मुस्कुरा रही है. बेटी पढ़ रही है. That means daughter is studying. The daughter is studying. बेटी पढ़ रही है. कुर्सी भारी है. That means the chair is heavy. कुर्सी भारी है. The chair is heavy. Now let us see some singular feminine nouns which do not end in the sound e. रात, दुनिया, किताब. And let's see some examples or sentences made by these feminine nouns. Singular. The night is cold. That means रात ठंडी है. रात ठंडी है. The night is cold. दुनिया बड़ी है. The world is big. दुनिया बड़ी है. The world is big. किताब नई है. The book is new. किताब नई है. The book is new. But how to identify the plural forms of these feminine and masculine nouns? Let us see that. Few of the male nouns which end with the sound a now changes into sound a when it becomes plural. Let us see that with an example. घोड़ा, घोड़ा दौड़ रहा है now changes in its plural form like घोड़े दौड़ रहे हैं. लड़का खेल रहा है now gets changed into लड़के खेल रहे हैं. बच्चा नहा रहा है changes into बच्चे नहा रहे हैं. Those were few of them. But there are some masculine nouns which ends with the sound A but does not change into A when it becomes plural. For example, Raja. We don't say Raje. We let it remain the word Raja. Raja aa raha hai. Raja aa raha hai when it is plural. Actually, when it has to become plural, that means we have to talk about many kings. We would say Sabhi Raja aa gaye hain. All the kings have come. Sabhi Raja aa gaye hain. All the feminine nouns which ends in the sound E now changes into iya at the end of it. For example, ladki in its singular form now changes into ladkiyan. Rani, raniyan. Beti, betiyan. Kursi, kursiyan. Examples: रानी मुस्कुरा रही हैं. रानियां मुस्कुरा रही हैं. This हैं has now got a nasal tone. मुस्कुरा रही हैं. बेटी खेल रही है. बेटियां खेल रही हैं. लड़की पढ़ रही है. लड़कियां पढ़ रही हैं. रही हैं has got a nasal tone, as well as ladki has now changed into ladkiyan in its plural form. Now, all the feminine forms which were not ending with the sound E now changes into A when it becomes plural. Strange, isn't it? Let's see that with some examples. Kitab, kitabein. Sadak, sadkein. Aadat, aadatein. Awaaz, awazein. Friends, now that we have seen the masculine and the female, plural and the singular forms of the nouns, as we have promised, we have to also touch upon the topic, what happens when the noun is a animal, a thing or a place. Well, in Hindi, we know all the nouns has to be classified into a feminine or a male noun. So, all the animals will either be a feminine noun or a masculine noun. Similarly for places and things. Let's see some examples for them. In case of animals, शेर जंगल में दहाड़ रहा है. That means the lion is roaring in the forest. शेर जंगल में दहाड़ रहा है. शेरनी अपने बच्चों को बचा रही है. The lioness is protecting her cubs. शेरनी बच्चों को बचा रही है. घोड़ा खेत में दौड़ रहा है. The horse is running in the fields. घोड़ा खेत में दौड़ रहा है. घोड़ी तेज चल रही है. The mare is walking fast. घोड़ी तेज चल रही है. Places when they are masculine sounds like this. बाजार आज बहुत भीड़ भाड़ वाला है. The market is very crowded today. बाजार आज बहुत भीड़ भाड़ वाला है. मंदिर सुबह 5 बजे खुल जाता है. The temple opens at 5 o'clock in the morning. The temple opens at 5 in the morning. मंदिर 5 बजे खुल जाता है. Feminine places. सड़क बहुत लंबी और चौड़ी है. The road is very long and wide. सड़क बहुत लंबी और चौड़ी है. दुकान शाम को बंद हो जाती है. The shop closes in the evening. दुकान शाम को बंद हो जाती है. The shop closes in the evening. Things. कमरा साफ किया गया है. The room has been cleaned. कमरा साफ किया गया है. The room has been cleaned. मोबाइल मेज पर रखा है. The phone is on the table. Is kept on the table. मोबाइल मेज पर रखा है. The phone is kept on the table. मोबाइल मेज पर रखा है. किताब पढ़ने में बहुत मजा आता है. It is very enjoyable to read a book. किताब पढ़ने में बहुत मजा आता है. It is very enjoyable to read a book. The chair is very comfortable. कुर्सी बहुत आरामदायक है. कुर्सी बहुत आरामदायक है. See, now you can change it into the plural forms. I hope you have got an idea about how to identify a male and a female nouns in its plural and singular forms, as well as how to place a noun which is of an animal, a thing and a place. Friends, there are many exceptions to all these rules which I've just mentioned, which we will be discussing in the upcoming videos so that we don't confuse you in this video. Okay, so stay tuned with the BSN Academy of Learning for more such updates from us. And if you like our content, if you think we are doing a good job, give us a like, share our videos with people who really require this help, and leave your comments below so that we can get to know what you really require.